wanted me to know. Okay, I don't.
This is your mix. Is this your mix?
No.
Okay, no. I might need beer. Yeah, you don't say that. Just drive my wife and son on there. So it's a bit like Home Alone and Risky Business. Yeah, so I was like, just getting our home today.
Good Lord. Look at that.
It's a cosmic congregation, but you ain't seen nothing yet. It's an open invitation, an existential clientele, all looking for nirvana at the Beat Hotel. They looked for it in New York City, in San Francisco Bay. They looked for it in bebop jazz, and it blew them all away. They tried out every avenue and then said, what the hell, we'll look for it in Paris at the Beat Hotel. Burroughs came up from Tangiers, Ginsberg from New York, Kerouac came up from Italy and slept out in the park. Gregory Corso came
in the beginning. God created heaven and earth for what it's worth. I think that he might have created you for it. Just my opinion. A party is the one paradise that I wanna fly to every day and every night. I've been sick and tired of running, chasing all of the flashing lights. These late nights don't mean nothing, so I just wanna apologize. I'm sorry, so sorry. I'm sorry, yeah. I need your love.
Boom, boom, boom. Gonna shoot you right down. Right off your feet.